Hey, I'm Aazim Sharp, certified FICO Pro, author of the Ultimate Credit Repair Guide, and the founder of Leaf Credit Solutions, a national credit and financial services company. My passion is showing people how to overcome credit problems and teaching them how to use their credit as leverage to create a better life for themselves and their family. In this video, I'm going to share important information that the credit agencies, lenders, and collection companies don't want you to know about, so watch to the very end. So let me let you know, if you're going through credit problems because of past issues, I've been where you are. If you're an entrepreneur in need of cash to start or grow your business, a single mom or dad struggling week to week, hustling to buy a home, an ex-offender and you've served your time and you need a fresh new start and you just want to jump into the credit game, I'm here to help you. I stand with you and I'm ready to lend my expertise and my resources to help. I can help guide you in how to legally repair your credit, build positive history, and show you how to get cash and credit without wasting time and money on things that don't work. My objective is to provide you a hassle-free experience from beginning to end so you can live the life you deserve. I'm not sure if you're aware, but the credit system in America is extremely flawed. It's designed to make huge profit from people with bad and so-so credit. So that pretty much means anyone with a score lower than 699. The credit agencies make up information, they charge way more to the lenders that are purchasing it because the lenders are making way more by profiting off people with less than perfect credit. You know, that's how they pretty much make their money. The credit reporting agencies and lenders actually work together. I'm not sure if you knew this or not. And they profit billions while taking advantage of uninformed consumers who don't understand the game of credit and how it works. It is in the best interest of the credit agencies and lenders that you have bad or mediocre credit, so they can justify charging you more money so they can make a larger profit. According to the U.S. Public Interest Research Group, 79% of all credit reports contain errors, but the errors are made by the credit reporting agencies and they won't fix them because their mistakes cost you money, but it makes them money, and they simply don't have to fix this ongoing problem because no regulations have been enforced to make them fix it. I believe things stay this way because lower income groups and urban areas are the people who suffer most from this flawed credit system. So things remain the same, but that's a different conversation for another day. Stay woke. Did you percent accurately? Isn't 100% verifiable, or reporting in the allowable statute of limitations must be removed, even if you didn't pay it. That's the law. But that can only happen if you take the necessary action. That law applies to collections, late payments, charge-offs, bankruptcies, foreclosures, and a whole lot more. It's called the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The major players involved in the credit game are allowed to get away with murder and maintain a stronghold on people. It's unfortunate that people either don't know about the laws that exist to help them, or they procrastinate and do nothing, or they get bad advice and do the wrong thing and make matters worse. If you take a moment to think, you realize that almost every opportunity in America for financial security, success, and status is connected to your credit report. And based on the statistics I just shared with you, there is a strong chance that your credit report has errors, and those errors can be used as leverage to remove the negative information for good. The good news for you is that if a negative account on your credit report doesn't meet 3 requirements of being 100% accurate, verifiable, and reporting timely, then it can be removed. But even better news is that almost every credit report has errors, and you probably fall within that 79%. You may be thinking, hey, that sounds pretty simple. It should be cut and dry. Clearing up a credit report. All I need to do is just send a letter. But if repairing credit was as simple as sending a letter, then why don't more people have better credit? I've had people ask me, can I just repair my own credit? I always respond by saying, of course you can. I'll even tell you what to do and give you one of my free credit repair kits. But let me be 100% transparent with you. Credit repair can be complicated, time-consuming, and a confusing process. And if you don't know what you're doing, you can actually make matters much worse. I often hear misinformed people make it sound like credit repair is no different than disputing charges on your phone bill, And I cringe every time I hear people giving bad advice like that. When you're repairing credit, you're fighting against an enormous system. Major corporations who have a well-supplied, well-trained army of employees and attorneys working for them. So you need to know your stuff before you embark on that journey. The law is on your side, but you need to know which laws to use, when to use them, and how to use them. You've got to ask yourself, do I have the time, energy, and the knowledge to repair my credit? And if you need help, seek assistance from a professional. Do research and trust your gut. Some common mistakes I see people making when they try to repair their credit are disputing accounts online directly through the credit reporting agencies. That's a big mistake. Not supplying enough information when they're disputing accounts, that's a pretty common one. And disputing accounts in the wrong order. Also, I want you to be very careful about paying off collection accounts because they don't get removed when you pay them, and they will actually report for another 7 years from the day you pay it in full. If your credit isn't in good shape and you want to improve it, my professional recommendation would be to find a professional that can actually help you. Don't look for the company who has the cheapest price. It's your credit. But don't think that if someone is charging you thousands of dollars, it must be the right way to go. Look for the best value for your money and a money-back guarantee, because making a bad decision could cost you more money and time in the long run, and I'm sure you don't want that. More than 8 years now, I've been professionally repairing credit. I've helped thousands of people. I also help them build credit and assist with securing cash and credit loans. I've helped my clients secure more than $36 million in cash, and I've gotten more than 137,000 negative accounts removed from credit reports. I can show you how to reduce your annual cash output and keep 25% more of your income, and help you go from turned down to being credit ready to buy a home within just 6 months. And also help you get rid of debt that's probably no longer collectible. Most people are under the illusion that they're stuck with bad credit for 7 to 10 years, and that they're powerless and can't do anything about their credit problems. Don't be fooled into believing that lie. Your credit can be improved, and if you want help, I'd be happy to help you. If you have a question or you'd like to have a complimentary, no obligation chat with me about your credit situation, please book a 10-minute call so you can get a free credit report with scores, and we'll see what can be done to fix your situation. I look forward to hearing from you.